Are y'all chickening out on me? They're giving up on me. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Sammy, you blend right in. Tell me it's not a whiteout. Don't kill them. Don't rain on my parade, folks. I can tell you this. I can hear people have their four-wheelers going. You can hear them. People have their four-wheelers going because we don't know what to do with this. We don't know what to do with this. He doesn't want to play, Sam. Sammy, stop. Come on. I mean, it's almost covering up my little dog. Tell him, Atlas, it's a flat-out blizzard. People have their four-wheelers going. I've heard guns go off. Say what you want. Don't be hating on South Louisiana, folks. This is blizzard. This is blizzard. It's a blizzard. It's whiteout. We're going to be snowed in for a month. They didn't run the mail. My check's in the mail. I didn't get it. But even if I'd have got it, it wouldn't do me any good because the bank is closed.
Finger. About an inch right there. Now it's on his back. It's going to fall. Ooh, it's cold.
Wow.
All right, man. I'm not dressed for this.
All right, y'all go back in. I just wanted the boys to get a little exercise.
Come on, Nathan.
Take Atlas.
Come on, Alice.
And my entire part of my house is wet. So everything is closed. The stores are closed. Listen to that. And it tastes like salt. Come on, Ham. And we have to let the big dogs out separately until I get their muzzles in so they can play, because Hammer, being a German Shepherd, is very mouthy. Likes to bite on the puppy. Samson is still a puppy, folks. Told y'all, people got their four-wheelers out in this. It's a snow day in Louisiana. We're not going for a ride, my friend. Ain't nobody in there. Come on. We're just warming it up. My feet are ice cold.